This is how to deploy a Vite React app on Vercel. From your dashboard, go to Add New, select Project, and choose your Vite React app. Then you can choose to import from Get repository, or you can browse a template provided by Vercel. So I will use my Get repository, and I'll just click Import. Then just proceed to deploy. And now we have successfully deployed our Vite React app. Now you can add domain and enable insights. So we'll continue to dashboard. Then you can open your Vite React app on a new tab. So this is how to deploy a Vite React app on Vercel.